you sorry? Did you make this mess in this room? Yes. Sissy, did you make this mess? Look at me. Did you make this mess? Did you take all the clothes out of the drawers? Yes, you did. Who made this mess? Sissy, did you? Why are you looking at me? Giving me a side eye. Sissy. It is the game. No, what? It is a free dress-up game. Oh. Everyone was certain. It is the game. No, what? It is a free dress-up game. Oh. Everyone was searching for the app where you can dress up and change your favorite characters. It wasn't easy, but I finally found it and want to share it with you. Just scroll and click on any option to start. Babe, what are you doing? Whoa. Hey, you want to surprise Daddy? Come on. Come on, Drew. Come on, let's show him. Come on. She's so pretty. Oh, isn't that the cutest thing in the world? Are you showing Daddy your food? Look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, look at that. Ready?
Bakit mo nga today? Dali, help mo ako. Hindi, ang hirap. Hindi ko alam mo ito. Tatakay mo nga, dali, dali. Pupunit na siya.
Ready?
Parang hindi ito siya talaga. No? Excuse mo na. Excuse mo na din. Ma!
What did we see in the store? Is that you? It's on the Statue of Liberty. Statue of Liberty. What's this? New York? What color is this? Pink. What do you want?
Hindi ko na ito ano siguro din.
I think I found the
Kasi ano
be
yun?
the mother of my
Sobrang
name.
sikip. Parang ano siya. Hindi siya.
I think I found a limit to be the
Jessica, what are you doing? I'm sorry, it's over. I'm with him now.
Yeah, loser.
No!
The next day. Give me that. I took your girl, now I took your drink.
I was gonna end it.
You're such a crybaby. What do you mean by it?
I poisoned my drink.
What's in your blood?
Jessica, what?
I'm actually here surprising my daughter. You know, she thinks we're here for a VIP experience in the audience, but I nominated Anna to audition here today.
I think you should have a couple of minutes. Okay. Yes. So, get out my dog. These streeters all have a pussy count. The way they treat them tells you exactly what they really are. Using it all. I mean, you're fine, haha.
Ay!
We're waiting for Suda.
Okay, so
Suda.
what different things the league are supposed to. Oh no. Okay, it's not looking good. Wait, am I getting splashed with slowness? Alright, that took so long. I would say that was pretty realistic though. Moving on to Tuesday. Oh, what's this? A chest? What's in here? Slowness 4? Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so slow. Let's just get this over with. Wait, jumping makes it go so fast. Tuesday wasn't so bad after all. Moving on to Wednesday. Oh, chest again. Wait, my cards? Wait, that's gonna be so fast. Let's go. Alright, I'm so ready to go super fast. Wait, are we serious right now, bro? This is so slow. Dude, Wednesdays take so long. Alright, moving on to Thursday. This is gonna be so easy. What can I say? It's like a cakewalk. Because like that Thursday's over, now moving on to Friday. This can't be that bad, honestly, right? Fridays are always so fast. Wait, look, we're going so fast. It's so simple. It should be slow. Now for the day we've all been waiting for. Saturday. Let's see what happens. Oh, oh my gosh, it's going so fast. For Monday.
It's in my heart.
Why you should keep an ear open when your girlfriend is on period. See, she had a crib, so she took a nap.
I have prepared. Shall I
Just wait until you hear Monday. This is why you should keep an ear open when your girlfriend is on period.
Shell, very good printing. But is there something missing from your letter I? I think that's for last. Hey, Teddy, want to dot my eyes?
This
Ooh,
is
that's
yours.
my favorite thing. Here's the secret, then the dots. Okay. The secret is I'm going to Amarillo. What the heck? What? I have to
Naglag ako din.
Oh, we'll be best friends. I know this is bad news. Hi, Michelle. The loading truck's here. I guess I gotta say goodbye. Can't we play one last time? Okay, just for a minute. Then I gotta go. Have a new jump rope.
Ayusin ko itong ano. Madamit natin.
Tiny, my family's gonna move without me. Sorry, I'm going good. Crap, these scratch my nose. Help! Let me out! Help! Let me out! Help! Let me out!
Hey, what's going on here? Michelle, why did you tie up Teddy?
Because he was moving away.
Oh, I see.
No, I won't be your best friend anymore.
Umalis na sila. Bilisan mo
Michelle, tying
ko.
up Teddy is not going to stop me.
But
Love fishing but want to look fire. Says you have to shoot
Masaya natin. Init.